What makes a festival like Mammoth so cool?
The mountain.
Hello,
when you get off the plane, my God.
How excited are you guys to be screening this movie at Mammoth Film Festival?
It's been quite a journey.
I don't know. Can you show
What
that in
she
a look?
said.
Oh, it's great. We worked really hard on it. Peter Facinelli worked really hard. Everybody put in a lot of work, and it's nice that it's being celebrated.
How did you guys come to the project?
Yeah,
He asked me to do it,
I did.
but he
I
did it behind my back.
I said
I know, and I said yes anyway.
I said I needed someone I could push around.
And it's continued since. Isn't that funny?
Let's see. Have you guys seen the movie with an audience yet?
No.
This will be the first time. Yeah, we're
Excited
excited.
about that?
We're
Nervous
excited
about
to
that?
see what the reaction is. You know, the film is it's complicated, so it's going to be interesting to see how people take it.
What makes a festival like Mammoth so cool?
The mountain.
Hello,
when you get
you.
off the plane, my God.
No, you did. You fell in love with the mountain. You were a little bit obsessed with it. I couldn't get him out of the airport. I'm like, I think we're going to a hotel. You can take pictures of it in a
If
second.
you've never seen it before, it's really quite an experience.
Stunning.
You know?
Stunning.
Something that I've never seen anything like that. It's just so. I'd much rather be looking at you, though. To tell you the truth.
Come on.
You guys are awesome. Last question. What's the best movie theater snack?
Popcorn. Hello.
I like Raisinets. I like to put my Raisinets
do?
in the popcorn.
I like to do that with M&Ms.
Dump them in there.
You know, we
thing
learn
is, they
something
all
new about
fall
each
to the
other
bottom.
every day. Raisinets. Huh.
Come on,
Thank you guys
my
so
little
much.
Raisinette.
Thank
Thank you guys. Congratulations.